he got juice over there too. Man. Lane for the win, y'all. He had enough time to recover. He spent twice. Got out the gas. Oh boy, juice on the right left lane wasn't working or something. He just bought him some slicks. He want to use. Yeah, why he gotta hold it that long? He got them tires on there, man. He just happy he got them tires.
Oh, he got a full-blown race car. Lord.
He happy he got some tires though. Everybody ain't able. Damn, he got them slicks on there. It feels sticky hot. Hey, he said they hot and sticky. Damn. Golly. You got some axles in there.
And a lot of shit in there.
He still got an old motor though.
What?
An old motor.
That bitch don't win out.
Oh, 383.
That bitch don't win out.
The tires getting cold now. Okay, good play over there if he's still finna race.
Please. Why you talking no good play?
Oh boy, just wait patiently.
I get cold.
Huh? No, they still hot. He said they still hot. Oh boy, ready. Oh, he ain't even got his progressive on.
You don't need it to win though.
Better not red light either. Oh, oh, crank back up. Oh, he finna win, fool. Oh, God damn, man, he couldn't. Man! Who was talking about he gonna win it all? Quan, he finna lose like a motherfucker. Bet. That's me and you lock in right now. I'm gonna give you odds, man. You don't want no odds? I'm gonna give you odds. Damn, man. I could've. Boy, that was too close, man. 305. Ooh-wee. My chat better not mess up coming through here neither. Let me see what else they got right here, y'all. I thought we had a winner though.
No, this is just a testing tune guy.
Oh, this testing
Hey, who was the
song?
one that had the viral? What's your car number?
817.
817? Yeah. 817 is the viral number.
You like that?
Hell no, it's too much accessories. You know, you in Dallas, you got all that type of shit. Niggas say you got too many accessories on your car.
Hell yeah. He do got some accessories.
Boy, he got a filter to come up. let the bugs not get
Yeah,
that feel.
I'm on Twitch though. You know about Twitch?
No.
Oh, you don't? I'm on YouTube too. Look Out Racing. That's my YouTube, man.
I said time Quentin had that bitch like this. They wouldn't look at
Yeah,
you.
that's me, the next second one. Already. And he got me on all. I'm be on there. He gonna see me again. Huh?
I said time you had that bitch. We put together in 2 weeks.
Oh yeah.
They wouldn't look at you. Even
Man.
if you had that, yeah,
Yeah, they was scared and everything.
yeah, one wheel.
Wanna be the gray or the black?
Oh shit.
That's the way they kill the mosquitoes.
He said that little kid don't know Twitch. Hell, I thought they all know. Hell, I just had to try. He can spell. That's good. Where y'all at, man? I got a Dodge in the right lane and a Dodge in the left lane. Both of them 4x4. I'm going for the right side. Here's louder. He did something. And he anxious, double bubbing them. Ooh. Left side for the win. Right side making all that noise and ain't doing nothing. Okay.
What you do with him, look out?
I ain't gonna do nothing with him, man. I can't fade him. Hey, man, you wanna try my Honda? Oh, okay.
They got a big 12 in it.
I hit that second gear this time.